Hey Dashing Divas, yes, my background does look different today because we about to be dyeing some bundles. So I'm gonna be dyeing some 613 bundles that I'm trying out to see if I want to add it to the collection. So I'm gonna use the watercolor method to dye these bundles. So far I like the bundles. I haven't had any tangles, no shedding. As you can see, no shedding. And I also got a free part closure. I already bleached the knots on it. This closure is like thebomb.com, like y'all. This is the natural wave pattern of it. All I did was wet it, like, and it's extra soft, and it's not shedding. Like, oh my god, no shedding. But yeah, so we about to get into this video. I'm about to dye these bundles with the watercolor method. And remember, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below to see more of our tutorials, our mukbang Mondays, and more of your girl. So let's get into this. Make sure you have some pretty warm water. Like, this is pretty warm, it's pretty good. So I'm going to be using these two. It's Indigo Blue and Royal Navy, if you guys can see it. There we go. Royal Navy and Indigo Blue. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Royal Navy. Royal Navy first. So, ooh, y'all, I'm scared. I never did this before. Pour it all up in there. Take this top off. So I just used the whole bottle of this Royal Navy. Now I'm going to use the whole bottle of Indigo Blue. Mix it up in there. And then you want to get something to mix it with. I'm going to use this plastic knife because I don't want to mess up any of our knives because like, I don't want to contaminate nothing. I don't want so gross. Mix it to make sure it's not clumpy. Alright. So now, first I'm going to do a strand test. Let me see. This is a big strand. I'm going to do this one. Do a strand test first. Let's see how it looks. Y'all, that is so cute. Like, oh my god, this is about to be so cute. This is cute. Okay, so now we about to dip it. Okay, word of advice, don't fill your thing all the way up to the top because it's going to overflow. I didn't think about that. Let's see how it looks. Just dip the whole thing in there. So I didn't take it out because I didn't want to go through all of that. I don't know, because it'll get so tangled and it's not the best of that. Ooh. So this is how it looks, y'all. I'm like so in love. But yeah, you know, you gotta open it up because as you can see, it didn't get all the way through. So yeah, you wanna open it up to make sure it gets all the way through. As you can see, I missed a few spots though. So this is how it looks. I used Indigo Blue and Royal Navy. Like, that is so cute. I'm in love. Like, yes. Okay. The cutest. So, yeah. And then just sit that over to the side. So now, I'm going to show y'all how to do the closure. So with the closure, dip it first. Closures are pretty easy to do. And then I have the black roots, so I don't really, okay, so wait, I don't really have to worry about it. Do you want to lace too much? Oops, oh, I ain't got on the lace. Look at me, but it's okay. But see, I'm not dipping it down here all the way on the lace. Like that. Make sure it's on it first. Okay, so the way to get the back, I'm going to just lay it like that. People say it don't, oh gosh, it don't touch your lace, but it ain't got on my lace. I don't think it's gonna tint it though. You'll see. See, I got on my lace a little. I'm gonna just rinse that off when I'm done. It should be okay though. Ooh, suckin'. And this is the closure. Let me see if I get closer. There we go. And that's the closure. Make sure it's all the way through. Like, y'all, this is gonna be so cute with the black. Yeah, that's gonna be so cute. The black hairline. Y'all ain't gonna tell me nothing, okay? And the color on the closure. You can see it didn't tint the lace. And the lace hasn't been tinted at all. So yeah, that's how it looks. Okay guys, so these are the final results of dyeing my bundles. One bundle did come out just a tad bit lighter than the other, as you can see. This bundle is a little bit lighter than this one. So I'm gonna have to add some more dye to the water to get these to the match. Maybe y'all can see, look at that. Came out there with not matching bundles. And this is how the closure came out. So cute. This is gonna look so cute on me, like, ah. Can y'all see it? I can see it. This is gonna be so cute. This is how the closure came out. About it for this video. That was the watercolor method on 613 bundles that I am trying out to see if I want to add it to my collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dashing Divas and Dashing Gents. Dashing Gents. I can't even talk. But yeah, so see y'all in my next video. Peace out. Oh, don't forget, be bold, be brave, be you, and shop Dashing Bundles. See y'all.